Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Llama Index versus LangChain. Both Llama Index and LangChain are frameworks designed to make it easier to build applications that leverage large language models such as GPT-3 and GPT-4. However, they focus on different aspects and cater to slightly different use cases. The overview of Llama Index is that it is another open source framework designed to assist with connecting language models to external data sources and structuring knowledge in a way that makes it easy to retrieve and use information in AI applications. Its core focus is on enhancing the LLM's ability to search and retrieve relevant information from large datasets, making it ideal for tasks like document indexing and semantic search. Some different key features of Llama Index is that it is built to structure data in a way that makes it easy for LLMs to understand and utilize. It focuses on providing a customizable index for data, example documents, web pages to facilitate retrieval. One of Llama Index core's functionalities is to help index large amounts of text data and make it easier to retrieve relevant information during LLM interactions. Llama Index integrates external data sources like databases, APIs, and files but places more emphasis on searchable knowledge bases. Llama Index focuses on structuring and managing prompts efficiently, ensuring that LLMs can retrieve the right data at the right time. Llama Index allows for the use of vector embeddings to improve semantic search and improve the quality of results when retrieving data from large knowledge bases. Enabling AI-driven search with better understanding by using embeddings and indexes to match queries with relevant content. For applications requiring complex relationships between pieces of data such as in research or legal tech. For chatbots that need to retrieve specific information from a large knowledge base, making them more accurate. While the overview of LangChain is that it is an open source framework primarily designed for developing applications powered by large language models. It simplifies the integrations of LLMs with external systems, data, and APIs, allowing developers to create sophisticated text-based workflows for AI-driven applications. Some key features of LangChain is that it connects LLMs with various data sources, APIs, and databases to create chains of operations or for automated workflows. It provides the capability to create complex chains that string together multiple prompts, API calls, and data retrieval operations. This allows for dynamic multi-step reasoning. LangChain includes built-in tools for loading and processing documents such as PDFs, web scraping, etc., and integrating them into the LLM's workflows. It enables memory management where previous interactions or context can be retained across different LLM API calls. LangChain offers deep customization options, letting developers write custom functions and modify the behavior of LLMs to suit specific use cases. It supports calling multiple APIs, webhooks, and data sources, making it versatile for integrating with other systems. LangChain offers pre-built templates and tools for specific tasks, making it easier to get started with common workflows like chatbots, document processing, etc. Some different use cases of LangChain is that AI-driven applications such as chatbots, personal assistants, and question answering systems. Document processing and retrieval using LLMs, and it automating text-based workflows that require multi-step reasoning such as customer support automation, data integration where LLMs need to interact with external APIs and databases. So basically, this is the difference between Llama Index versus LangChain. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.